Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So Instagram have added one new feature that you can use a reveal sticker in your Instagram stories. So for example, if you are using this sticker, only after replying to your message they can see the photo in that Instagram story. So for this you have to update your Instagram application, and I will show you in my mobile screen how this feature work. So for this you need to open your Instagram application and click on plus icon and go to story section, and I will select this photo, and here you need to click on this sticker icon here, and below you will see the option as reveal. Just click on this one, and you can write anything here. So once you click on done here, and once you click on preview, you can see how this story will be visible to your followers. So this is how they can see your story, and they can only see this photo once they click on message to reveal. Only after replying to this story they will be able to see this photo. So how this is how this feature work. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.